In this video, we are going to look at prime factorization with exponents. So we're just building on up what we learned in the class before, except now we're going to also incorporate exponents. So when we're doing exponents, what does that mean? That means it's repeated multiplication. So 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 2 to the exponent 3. This says how many times this 2 is repeated. So if I have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. That's going to be 5 to the exponent 4 because it's multiplied together 4 times. So let's do this with prime factorization. So let's try something like this. Let's try, starting off, let's try 36. So if I break down 36, I know that is 4 times 9. This is 2 and 2. Circle my primes. Once I hit a prime, I'm going to circle it. 3 and 3. Circle my primes. So if I was to rewrite this, we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Always go smaller numbers to bigger numbers, organize them. And we've used them all. So that gives me 2 squared, because there's 2 2's, and 2 to the 3. Whoopsie. And 3 squared, because there are 2 3's. Let's try another one here. Let's try the prime factorization of 125. Okay, well 125, that is 5 times 25, which is 5 times 5. Now altogether here, I have 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to, we have 3 5's being repeated, 5 to the power of 3, 5 exponent 3, and that is my answer. My next question I'm going to try, let's try something like 92. So 92 is a little bit more trickier. First I'm going to divide it by 2. What's half of 92? So I'm just going to go 92 here and we're going to divide it by 2. 2 goes into 9 4 times. That gives me 8. And we get 1, 2. 2 goes into now 12. 2 goes into 12 6 times. So that gives me 46. 2's prime. We could half 46. I'm going to get another 2. Then I get a 23. So this is going to give me half of 46 is 23. 23 we find out is prime. This is going to give me 2 squared times 23. Or 2 times 2 times 23. So 2 squared times 23. Let's try 72. So 72. What times what is equal to 72? Well, I know it could be halved. That's going to be 2, so then I'm going to get 36. 2 is prime. 6 is 9 times 12, is 12 times 3. 3 is prime. 12 can be broken down to 4 and 3. 2 and 2. So now let's see how many 2's we have. We have 1, 2, 3 2's. We have 1, 2 3's. So altogether, I have 3 2's, which is 2 to the 3, and I have 2 3's, which is 3 squared. And that's how we do prime factorization with exponents. We're doing the same thing, except everything that's repeated, we put that into a little number and just write it like that.